This fabulous new construction by Boylan Homes is located in Sky Meadows Estates in South Salem. You'll love its convenient location with easy access to I-5, shopping, parks, downtown Salem, and outdoor recreation including the Creekside Golf Club. The paver driveway and inviting covered front porch welcome you home. Discover an open floor plan with main level living, including gorgeous flooring, double 8-foot-tall glass doors, and a gas fireplace. The gourmet kitchen is ready for creating your favorite cuisine with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a large island with an eating bar. Unwind in the primary suite, where you can head outside to your covered patio. The modern spa-like bath features a gorgeous tile shower and a large walk-in closet. This home also includes 2 more generously sized main-level bedrooms with a full bath. The upper level is ideal for multi-generational living with a separate living quarters. It offers a large bonus room, another bedroom, and full bathroom. The fully fenced backyard with a covered patio is perfect for year-round entertaining. You'll also find gated RV parking. A beautifully designed new home with high-end materials and quality craftsmanship throughout. You'll find it all here in Sky Meadows Estates, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.